Mr. Puatan Montague as Director of Municipal Schools. Honorable Mr. Agin as the Supervisor of NSPC. And responsible is Brother Oli Amin as the Chief of NSPC. First of all, let us say to all who has business aspect healthy ingredients so we can gather and use today. Secondly, salawat dan salam kalau istri praise of our beloved Prophet Muhammad who has given us from the darkness to the leaders, from Jahil era to modern era, namely Islam. Thirdly, I would say thank you to Master of Ceremony with the singing from the praise standing for our all the Okay, good morning everyone.
Good morning.
Course today.
I'm good. I'm great. I'm wonderful.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Saya Jessica Aulia. You can call me Aya or Chilaya. I'm from grade class. Here, standing for you all, I want to prepare my speech by the title, Love Yourself and Speak Up for Yourself. From child, we taught to be good people. We learn to be unselfish, to put others first and to smile, even though our heart didn't feel it. We taught to be treated by the world, greeted by society, family, and friends. And I know we lost ourselves. We still on our voice, we suppress our emotion, and we ignoring our truth. However, life is journey. And this journey we encounter many mirrors. Some mirrors is our reflection of our flaw, our mistake, and our imperfection. Until now, we only see this mirror with hatred and judgment. The messenger I want to say to you today is simple. It's time to change the way you look into this mirror. From heaven to light, from not believe to yourself to believe to yourself. Speak up for yourself doesn't mean being selfish. It means a culture to say no when you know something, and a culture to say yes to dream your prayers, and I gather to say your story, your feelings, and your thoughts into prayer and judgment. Ladies and gentlemen, you know, how many years ago I didn't believe myself, and I didn't love myself, and I always blaming myself about all of problems who come to my life. But God has His own way to help me to stop that. He gave me 7 boys from South Korea, and then they created me to love myself, to believe myself, to brave to speak up for myself. They told me with their music, with their story, and with their music, with their story, and with their video. I learned a lot from there. I learned how to love myself, how to brave to speak up for myself, and don't to blame myself from all of that. Because all of problem is to all of our problem is to talk out to be brave in the future. Okay, maybe that's all from me. I want to thank you to all of you to hear my speech by 5 minutes. I want to say thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Thank you very much for your speech, useful for us. And now, let's continue.